Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Quanah Lachey if you are new here. Today I am showing you how I get this Queen of Hearts makeup look. I did have some trouble today, not gonna lie. You'll hear me talk more about it in the video with the product that I use. But anyways, I hope you enjoy, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Hey y'all, I don't know what I'm doing and I'm kind of scared because I'm using this cream makeup and some other random stuff that I have never put on my face before. So I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that this works out. I'm going to moisturize with Rodan & Field's Active Hydration Serum. Now I'm going to use NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Primer for these giant pores. And I'm going to set my primer today with Coty Airspun, the translucent powder. I'm going to attempt to do a brow cover today. So I'm going to use this Elmer's washable glue. I'm just going to get it all up in there. You're going to want to brush these flat to your face as best as you can. So now I'm using this white cream makeup, 98 cents. I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah. It's very thick. It looks like paint. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm going to use this sponge. I don't really know what else to do at this point, so I'm going to take this sponge, the end of it, and I'm going to dip it into a matte white shade, like an eyeshadow, and I'm just going to start trying to see if packing it on top of this will help at all. We'll see. This shade, which usually I wouldn't use this because it's not matte, but it's dark. I'm just going to go back and blend here with that same brush I started with. Now I think I'm going to do a cut crease, kind of like a, yeah, like how Patrick Star kind of does his. I think I want to use like I'm going to use this glitter. This is the NYX Metallic Glitter in Dark Side. I'm going to try to just follow the shape that I've already kind of created. Okay, so before I use the glitter, I'm just going to use a light blue shimmer shade from the James Charles palette, just so it has like a light base to sit on. With the NYX glitter adhesive that I just, glitter primer, that's what I'm gonna use. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take this glitter and pour it right into this lid. Okay, so I popped on some false eyelashes. These are LA Colors Dramatic Lash in Demure 980. Don't recommend, but they're cheap. So I also just started to sketch out what I think I'm going to do with my brows. I'm using this orange shade from the James Charles palette, and I may mix in like some browns because the wig that I have is like a reddish brown. Yeah. Bro, I'm scared. I'm just gonna go with the same blue I did on the upper part. I'm gonna bring it down pretty far. I'm gonna use this NYX eyeliner in Platinum, and I'm just gonna line my waterline with that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So I went to this Halloween store, and this is actually the Winifred Sanderson wig from Hocus Pocus, but I feel like it looks pretty similar to the Queen of Hearts in the Alice in Wonderland, like the human version of the movie. So I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on because I think it'll help me feel like I'm doing a decent job. LOL, this is funny. Okay. I feel like I need to like add some definition to my face, but I don't have like any berries or anything. I really don't want to jack this up. I'm going to top my lips with this clear gloss from Black Radiance. This. Okay. Just to add to this, and this is, I'm probably going to jack this up. I'm going to take this face powder. I also got this from Walmart, so hopefully it's not as sucky as that white face paint I just used. And I think I'm going to try to do like a checkered situation on my neck. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and put this checkered whatever on my neck. Literally all I did was draw straight lines all the way across and then down and then across, and then I filled in every other one. So it's really easy. Now I also put like some pink eyeshadow on for like a highlight situation. It's this ColourPop Pretty Much palette, and I just use this shade here, palette. I'm going to take this white and I'm going to use it to highlight. It's a shimmery white. Oh, I forgot to put a mole on my face. Use a better base than this. Or maybe I just don't know how to use it correctly, but it's a little splotchy.